Hello, Car Chronicles family. Today, we're diving into the elegant and timeless world of French automotive design with the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe. A car that blends vintage-inspired aesthetics with modern innovations, the DS21 Coupe is an ode to Citroen's heritage while embracing the future. Buckle up and let's explore this masterpiece. A stylish evolution. The 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe takes design cues from its iconic 1960s predecessor while adding a modern twist. The sleek silhouette, bold chrome accents, and signature floating roof design exude sophistication. Citroen's distinctive LED light signature at the front and rear adds a futuristic flair, making this coupe a head-turner on the road. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal, but also improves efficiency. From every angle, the DS21 Coupe screams luxury and attention to detail, keeping true to the brand's tradition of avant-garde styling. Interior. Luxury meets technology. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that balances opulence with cutting-edge technology. Premium leather upholstery, handcrafted wood trims, and ambient lighting create a serene environment. Citroen's intuitive infotainment system is seamlessly integrated into a large floating touchscreen, offering features like navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system for an immersive experience. The seats are plush and ergonomically designed, ensuring maximum comfort for both the driver and passengers. And with advanced soundproofing, the cabin remains a peaceful retreat from the outside world. Under the hood, performance redefined. The 2025 DS21 Coupe comes equipped with a state-of-the-art hybrid powertrain. A turbocharged 1.6-liter petrol engine works harmoniously with an electric motor to deliver a combined output of 250 horsepower. The transition between the electric and petrol modes is seamless, providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. With a focus on sustainability, the DS21 Coupe offers a range of up to 50 miles on pure electric power, making it ideal for urban commutes. The suspension system, inspired by the original DS, has been modernized for superior ride comfort, effortlessly gliding over bumps and rough surfaces. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe, equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera. This car ensures peace of mind on every journey. Why choose the DS21 Coupe? The 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe isn't just a car, it's an experience. It's perfect for those who appreciate classic design but refuse to compromise on modern comforts and sustainability. Whether you're cruising through city streets or taking it on a weekend getaway, this coupe delivers on all fronts. Final thoughts. The 2025 Citroen DS21 Coupe is a testament to Citroen's ability to merge tradition with innovation. It's stylish, comfortable, and packed with features that cater to the demands of modern driving, while staying rooted in its iconic legacy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us for more car reviews and updates. Until next time, keep cruising with Car Chronicles.